Studentor is a smart AI mentor that helps students stay focused, manage time, and study smarter. This video presents the lean business model that explains how this idea grows into a helpful digital companion for learners. Customer segments. Many students face digital distractions and struggle to stay productive. Studentor serves school and college students, exam takers, university learners, and young job seekers who need study help, career tools, and focus support. Value propositions. Studentor acts like a personal mentor that keeps every student organized and focused. It combines study planning, distraction tracking, wellness reminders, and motivational support in one easy-to-use app with free, pro, and elite plans. Channels. Students can download Studentor from mobile app stores and discover it through campus ambassador programs. It also reaches learners through social media, educational partnerships, and word-of-mouth referrals. Customer relationships. Each student gets a personalized experience through the AI mentor and self-guided app tutorials. Regular reminders, gamified rewards, and quick chatbot help create a friendly and lasting connection. Revenue streams. Studentor runs on a freemium model with free basic access and affordable paid plans. Students can choose pro or elite subscriptions or purchase upgrades for extra resources and templates, while institutions can form future partnerships. Key resources. The app relies on AI tools that track time, analyze study patterns, and plan tasks effectively. Its mobile platforms, content library, skilled development team, and secure cloud storage form the backbone of the system. Key activities. The team works on improving app features, training AI for smarter guidance, and sharing motivational content. They also market the app through social media and partnerships while gathering feedback to enhance the user experience. Key partners. Studentor collaborates with schools, universities, and edtech platforms to reach more learners. Partnerships with career services, cloud providers, and student ambassadors support the app's growth and credibility. Cost structure. Main expenses include app development, AI research, and cloud hosting. Marketing, customer support, and partnerships with study resource providers ensure Studentor continues to serve students effectively. Watch the pitch deck and prototype of the Studentor app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos.